PE activities. This week, we're going to talk about exercise and the weather. For your ULS for the month of March, the theme is weather. So for PE, we're going to talk about weather and exercise. So we're going to talk about when is winter. The winter months are December, January, and February. What are some common winter conditions? Rain, normally here in the warmer areas in the south, snow up north, and also in the northwest, ice and cold. Let's see what kind of exercises we can do. So, what is rain? Rain is liquid water in the form of droplets that fall from the sky. And this is what rain looks like. We have had a lot of rain. For our rain exercise, we're going to put our hands in front of our body. We're going to push forward, put our fingers out, and drop our hands like those droplets falling from the sky. Let's try it again. Palms up, out, hands down, and drop those raindrops. What is snow? Snow is ice crystals that cling to each other as they fall to the ground. When it snows, you can lie in the snow, move your arms to the sides, and make a snow angel. It's similar to a jumping jack. So if you can be in a standing position, you're going to do a jumping jack. Out, together, out, together. If you're in a seated position, arms out, legs apart, hands together above your head, and then back out to the side. Ready? One more time. Out, together, out, together. Good job. Oops. So what is ice? Ice is frozen water. So this is the ice part. This is liquid water. So when the water freezes and becomes ice, we can go ice skating. So here's some ice skating poses. So start in a standing position, or you can be in a seated position, and we're going to skate to one side. Come back together and skate to the other side. And let's do it again. Skate to a side, together, skate to a side. Good job. Cold. Cold is a low temperature. And here it says 40 degrees. 40 degrees is pretty cold. So cold exercise. Brr, it's cold. So we're going to put our arms together in front of our body and overlap them to keep ourselves warm. So brr, it's cold. Turn to the side, in front, turn to the side. Again, in front, turn to the side, in front, turn to the side. Good job. When is spring? The spring months are March, April, and May. We're getting ready to go into spring now. What are some common spring conditions? Sunny, thunderstorm, and tornadoes. It's sunny because it's sunny and bright because of the light from the sun. exercise is called good mornings. So what you're going to do is stand with your arms up by your shoulders, feet apart, knees bent, and you're going to bend over towards the ground and then slowly come up. And those are called good mornings. Again, down and up. Thunderstorms includes rain, thunder, lightning, and gusty wind. So that's a bunch of stuff. So here's the lightning and the rain and the gusty wind. So thunderstorm exercise. So thunderstorms have many weather conditions. To participate in the thunderstorm exercise, we're going to do a series of movements. We're going to take an arm and we're going to put it across our body, and then we're going to try and lift our knee to our elbow. And then we're going to switch. Other arm across the body, lift your knee to your elbow and down. Let's try that one more time. Across the body. That can be like our wind. And then knee up. Good job. And other arm, wind across and up. Good. When is summer? Summer months are June, July, and August. What are some common sunny summer conditions? Sunny and hot. So hot is a high degree of hot temperature. And this one says 50 degrees. 50 degrees is not that hot. It needs to be up there by 90. That's what's hot. So the hot exercise is like wiping the sweat off your forehead after being outside. So from a seated position, you're going to get rid of that sweat and reach up. And get rid of that sweat and reach up. One more time. Get rid of that sweat and reach up. Good job. When is fall? The fall months are September, October, and November. What are some common fall conditions? Cloudy and hurricanes. Cloudy is when the sky is covered with clouds. Sometimes we call this overcast. So to participate in the cloudy exercise from a seated position, we're going to do two hands up. We're going to drop one arm, bring it back up, drop the other arm, bring it back up, drop, up. One more time, drop, up. Good job. A hurricane is a spiraling storm. It's huge, long-lasting. Normally it forms over water and can have winds that are greater than 200 miles per hour. So the fast winds from the hurricane cause the trees to sway. We're going to be a swaying tree. So we're going to put our arms over our head and we're going to make a tree, and we're going to go to the side and come back to the center, to the side and come back to the center. Remember, we want to be a swaying tree, not a tree that falls over. So maintain control of your body. Down to the side, back to the center, and down to the side and back to the center. Good job. So it says, which is your favorite season? Is it winter, spring, summer, or fall? Mine is summer. I'm ready to see some sunshine and go to the beach and go swimming. It's been a cold winter. Check back for some more PE activities next week.